The accessory belt. What is it? The accessory belt system is a complex system that ensures the engine works properly. It is similar to the timing belt system but has a totally different function. While the timing belt opens and closes the poppet valves, the accessory belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Good news! If the accessory belt breaks, the consequences for the engine are limited and less costly than those caused by a break in the timing belt. You risk losing some essential elements for the proper working of your vehicle. Yet, a break in the accessory belt can sometimes lead to a break in the timing belt. Your car will be off the road, and so it is important to ensure that it is in good working order. When should you replace your accessory belt? Each manufacturer has different maintenance frequencies. Look at your maintenance manual. The right moment to change the timing belt is often indicated. There are various criteria for replacing your belt. It might be the mileage or a maximum lifespan. Everything depends on what finishes first. How you drive has a direct impact on the wear and tear of the belt. If you use your car in extreme conditions like in mountains, intense urban traffic, dusty areas, pulling trailers or caravans, then your accessory belt will get worn down quickly. Be careful if you identify damage, traces of oil or unusual noises, then it's time to change the belt. What should you buy to replace your accessory belt? When you're completely changing your accessory belt system, you must buy the accessory belt, the tensioner pulley, and sometimes the damper pulley, the accessory pulley, the alternator pulley, a water pump and its seals if it is pushed by the accessory belt. Most of the time, a specially adapted replacement kit for the accessory belt in your vehicle will be enough. The tools needed for the operation. Most of the time, changing the accessory belt is not a very complicated operation. You can complete it with a classic set of tools and a torque key for changing certain pulleys. Last tips before changing your accessory belt. Follow the instructions step by step. Always respect the tightening torque indicated. If you don't remember the path taken by the belt on the pulleys, don't panic. On the Dayco application, you will be able to find it, as well as a multitude of information like the tightening torque values. Once finished, don't forget to tighten the belt correctly if the system does not have an automatic pulley tensioner. When everything's in place, remember to write the date of the operation and the mileage of your car. This will be useful for the next change. Now, it's your turn.